Hi everyone, I'm back again. Smarter India, our discussion subject for today, is about making India future ready. We heard Rahul talk about the growing importance of technology and the changing paradigm. Mr. Parthasarathi spoke about never letting a good crisis go to waste, a very deep thought, and about business model transformation. With COVID, organizations have been under pressure on cash flows. As businesses limb back, the dilemma around prioritizing expenses will be a difficult one to solve in the boardroom. Organizations have traditionally thought about IT purchase as a capex only model, but the pandemic is forcing companies to innovate. On one hand, with work from home, businesses need best-in-class devices and technology, and on the other hand, there is the strong push to reduce cost. With this context, we are seeing more companies adapt the device as a service model, wherein they don't pay upfront but still provide their employees with best-in-class devices, services, and solutions. I'm here today to talk about Lenovo's device as a service offering. As a service model is not new to us. As individuals, we are all experiencing subscription and consumption-based offerings like Netflix, like Spotify, like Zipcar, and many others. As a service model is gaining acceptance because they are convenient, they are customizable, and they offer attractive pricing, and more importantly, they address our needs the way we want them. For the PC industry, as per IDC, by 2023, at least 20% of the hardware purchases will be on an as-a-service subscription type model. In unit value, it is expected to be a few million devices that we are talking about. With the Lenovo DAS solution, we intend to build and maintain a strong position in this area by addressing all of the market segments and empowering the channel to be successful with our DAS solutions. The core tenet of the Lenovo DAS offering is flexibility. Flexibility that allows our customers to choose from a wide range of services and a wide range of devices. In fact, our DAS solution takes flexibility to another level by allowing our customers to increase or move down a service as per their business needs. Customers can flex up or flex down, and this is one of our key differentiators. We are creating in the workplace a truly as a service model. Lenovo DAS can be simply explained as a fully managed and flexible service and support model that combines hardware, services, and software into a single configurable end-to-end solution at a predictable periodic fee. We also realize that Lenovo DAS solution isn't fully understood by all, and there are those that consider DAS to be just a one-size-fits-all leasing program where customers can only pay for devices over time. Subscription service, leasing program, consumption models are some of the other references to DAS, and they're not completely wrong. However, Lenovo's DAS is much more than that and can be what our customer needs it to be, serving as a vehicle to help customers make the digital transformation they need to embrace a modern IT environment. Net, it is actually all of these things and more, and can be applicable and beneficial for all customer segments. DAS being new, there are myths about what is really DAS, and I would like to take this opportunity to clarify some of these concepts. Myth 1, DAS is only a services offering with limited options. Honestly, if I was not at Lenovo, I would have said this is true. But the Lenovo DAS solution is an embodiment of one Lenovo solution that spans all of the businesses within IDG and can even extend to DCG. From the pocket to the data center, DAS can be whichever way the customer needs, giving them the flexibility to pick and choose the hardware, services, and even software they require. Myth 2, DAS is just a leasing program where customers can pay for devices over time. DAS really is a vehicle to help your organization affordably make the digital transformation they need to embrace a modern IT environment. DAS can have a real and lasting effect on businesses From better employee productivity and higher talent retention to less downtime and a lower total cost of ownership. We are happy to be taking on the heavy lifting of IT management and serving as a strategic partner for the years to come. Myth 3. DaaS is one size fits all. While the DaaS model has traditionally been embraced by global enterprises, the newly encountered working demands of today really have opened the door to other segments. Our offering is incredibly flexible and can be completely customized on what the customer needs and when they need it, allowing them to pay for it via a predictable monthly fee. It's a more efficient IT solution for businesses large and small. So to summarize the benefits of Lenovo DaaS, it is better than buying on CapEx and more than just the lease. It would free up the business capital. It would help your organization mitigate cost by taking the device, and it could be a laptop, it could be a desktop, tablet, mobile phone, and by bundling it with a variety of services and software, all for a predictable monthly subscription fee, all under one contract and just one provider for you to hold accountable. And unlike hardware leasing, your organization would get a holistic solution that allows flexibility to scale the hardware over time. You also get the opportunity to leave the challenges of lifecycle management to the DaaS provider like us, allowing your organization to stay focused on your core business. And this would eventually deliver a lower total cost of ownership. I spoke about flexibility. That is, your organization could quickly scale up or down based on the current operating environment and business need, and pay for exactly what is the need and when it is needed. And most importantly, your organization and users will no longer be stuck with obsolete hardware, especially as technological innovation continues to outpace the average lifespan of devices. According to a research conducted by Intel Corporation, employees lose more than 1 week per year due to antiquated PCs, not to mention the impact on morale and employee frustration. Rahul, in his opening remarks, mentioned about the 6-stage PC life cycle. Lenovo's DaaS solution, besides the benefit I just mentioned, would help optimize and enhance experience over the entire life cycle while continuing to offer true flexibility. Starting with our planning services, which entails strategy, assessment, and personal consultation and helps define the who, what, where, when, and why. We could set up the device catalog that integrates to your services catalog and allow for order flows seamlessly to Lenovo via standard APIs. Then the configuration services, we call it the device pre-stage for user via white glove. This would include BIOS settings, imaging, autopilot enrollment, and more as per your IT guidelines to give a wow out of the box feeling to your end user. The third stage of the life cycle is our deployment services, where we would deliver faster deployment of devices and enhance employee productivity and experience. This would also include data and profile migration so that your user would have access to information at the time of sign-in. Lenovo's rich performance of support and protection services would give your users the technical support, backup, and repair services needed to keep devices performing at peak efficiency. This also includes our signature offering, Premier Support, a 24/7 offering in 100+ markets, so you can safely travel across the globe and still get direct access to a specialist team of engineers that can diagnose and reduce downtime for the user, minimizing the need for on-site support or parts shipment. The next stage is managed services, and we provide a host of managed services like smart fleet management, on-site help desk, compliance monitoring and management, inventory control, and software solutions. The last but equally critical is the asset lifecycle stage, where we not only maximize residual value but also ensure data security and environmental compliance. The world of PC buying is changing, and the device as a service model is the future. As business models change and product offerings become more customized, decision makers are recognizing how DaaS will benefit their organizations. They are realizing that the subscription-based model offers the cost saving and flexibility they haven't been able to find with traditional PC purchasing models. Before I end, we at Lenovo are very proud that we manufacture some of the best devices in the industry. And now with our DaaS solutions, we are happy to work with our customers and help make the digital transformation needed to embrace a modern IT environment. I hope this session helped you get an insight on Lenovo's DaaS offering. Thank you.